We just got done laying 800 square feet in 2 hours using a multi-6 head. Stay tuned through the video because we're gonna show you exactly how to profit over $1 million using a head like this in a residential application. We're super excited to show you. Let's watch the project and get to the numbers. We have an existing patio that's already in. We wanna follow those lines through the existing patio out towards the building, and we're doing that by pulling a string line. We're gonna then take our square, which is our maxi square. We're gonna figure out exactly where these need to be, fudge them so that it makes sense or looks good, and then we're gonna string a line off of here, 13 inches, as that's the size of the paver. So we're gonna size those off, and the reason being is the rollers on the backside of the clamp are gonna be hitting the building if we don't build it off. So that's one of the biggest differences. We're gonna build it off just a little bit. We're gonna strike that line or chalk that line, start laying our pieces down through here, and then lay out. You're gonna see we have pallets already placed. We've done the math, 14 feet off the building. Every 10 feet, we're gonna need a pallet of pavers, or we're gonna run through a pallet of pavers. We have them placed strategically so we can grab those pavers, lay them, and never be without pavers. We're also going to set up our clamp and get it prepped and ready for the material itself. So if you take the paver, you flip the paver over, take the measurement off of the spacer bar, the far distance of the pallet, that's gonna give you exact dimensions of those pieces. Mechanical installation, a little bit different. We're gonna start on the one side and we're gonna work our way down through. And you'll see when we lay those points, we're gonna strike it again, chalk another line, lay off of there. We're actually gonna put in our HD hybrid edging. That way we have a nice point to click and lock and pull the pavers against for interlock and for ease of installation. And then we're gonna pad up the outside so we can drive right onto the pavers with a P22. So we've started obviously with our first layers across there. Most time consuming part is we're trying to get the lines straight. Most important that you get those lines nice and straight and ready to go, so when you mechanically install, you're not having to go back through and adjust a lot of pavers. Once we get things started, obviously, things start to go pretty quick. 12.5 square feet at a time is what we're laying with this pattern. And all we're doing is we're taking this piece here, square and Twinkie, swapping them. It's breaking those bond lines so we have no four corners, something that we hate to see in the hardscape industry. Dual adjuster to adjust as we're going as well, just making sure everything's tight. But you can see the alignment arms coming down on that machine are actually aligning that cube nicely, so that way there isn't a lot of adjustments. Everything's tight, laid perfectly. There's job sites where we've laid by hand versus mechanical. Mechanical lines are always straighter. So we fronted material in. We couldn't lay mechanically around that post there. So we're actually fronting the material in to myself, and I'm able to lay it. Cool part about this dual chamber bat is I can open up different chambers depending on what I want open. So if I want to pick just this Twinkie, I can open up and just pick just the Twinkie. Or I can open up both chambers and be able to pick some of the bigger rectangle pieces and the squares. Another little trick I have is on my T-handle here. I have a printout of the pattern that we're laying. That way, as I'm laying it, it never throws me off. I know exactly which pieces need to be laid when. And again, fronting that material over allows me to not be grabbing it off the pallet by hand, hustling these over and setting them down. I have one machine, one man hauling 12.5 square feet at a time, bringing it to me, and then I can put those pieces in place. He's able to grab another layer and continue to lay mechanically. All right, so we just got done laying our project here, bulking in mechanically, using the clamp and setting it. So we did 800, about 810 square feet. Let's just call it 800 square feet for easy math. And it took us 2 hours. We had 2 people, so 2 men. So 4 man hours total is what it took us to do 800 square feet of pavers. So if you take the 4 man hours, say you bill out at $100 an hour, cost us $400 for those 2 men to lay in the 2 hours worth of time. Now, if we were to do it by hand, typically you'd probably have 3 people for that same 800 square feet. 3 men to lay that 800 square feet, let's just say it takes them 8 hours. Typically a day worth of your time, realistic number. So times that by the 3 men. So 24 man hours total. So 4 man hours to lay mechanically, 24 to lay by hand. So if we bill out at, again, $100 an hour, so $2,400 for labor. When we look at $400 versus the $2,400, there's a couple things we want to keep in mind here. This took us 2 hours to lay that 800 square feet. The remaining 6 hours in the day, you can then be doing your border pieces, your edge restraint, your sweeping, your compacting, and completing jobs in the same exact day, and drops your expenses down. In a job site like this, where you're doing it by hand, 3 men taking that full day worth of your time just to lay that, but it's your full day. So you're gonna have to come back the next day and do the sweeping, the compacting, and all the other tasks. When you come down to here, it's $2,000 in savings. And the biggest savings of all, opportunity cost. So we take this dollar amount here and we double it, because you're able to do twice as many tasks than if you were to do it by hand. So really, we have a total of $4,000 in savings. And this is just on one single job. Now, if we do a job every single week and say we work 40 weeks in a year, times the 4,000, right? That equals $160,000 of profit a year. $160,000 of profit a year to do mechanical installation versus by hand. Now let's take that $160,000 and let's times that by the lifelong length of the mechanical clamp itself, which is generally 15 years, but let's just say 10 for a safe number. That's $1,600,000. What do you think that $1.6 million can do for your business? Allowing you to put money back into your business, retain better team members and help because you're installing mechanically. You don't have the fatigue of laying by hand. 80, 90, 100 degree days out there, you guys are dying. Clamp, you can see how easy it was in this video. Using the machine to lay 12.5 square feet at a time. A guy just swapping 2 pieces. And the best part is, in 10 years from now, he got 1.6 sitting in the bank. If you made it this far and you're curious about the Multi-6, give us a call for a free consultation so we can help you implement using one of these in your business.
You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.